Hello world. Today I'm going to start a new series. It's quick tip tutorials, very short, straight to the point tutorials, tips how to do stuff in computer graphic. Today it's how to make seamless texture. If you have a regular texture, you can end up with things like this, with these border lines. In order to make this texture, ice texture, seamless, you need this program. It's just like Blender, it's free, completely free to use. You can Google it, download it, and use it. So we're gonna open it. Just very quickly. Okay, opened it in the GIMP. Now we're going to the filters, map, and make it seamless. That's it. Now it's seamless. If we save it and reload it, we have to reload it in Blender. Just give me. You see? We fixed it. It was extremely quick and useful. Now there is no seams. So that was a quick tip tutorial number 1. Hopefully this one was useful for you. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment in the comment section below. Bye bye.